So we got this clamping dial indicator I'm going to use to see about where the bend is in my propeller, my prop, my shaft I should say. So here I unboxed it. It's got a dial, flex cable, and a pair of vice grips. So I'll see, and we're going to set it up. And all right. So here's how I see this. This right here hooks into here. Just like that. And then you screw it down. Give me a second here. So you screw the dial gauge into this part right here. Yeah. So that holds it steady, and then there's a screw adjustment right here that if you turn it out will make that tight. And then down here, this right here screws tight too. So that's how you get it all set up and set. So